Hello students, you are seeing here exercise 12.2 question number 7. There is a well given. Inner diameter of the circular bell is given 3.5. Inner diameter is given 3.5 meter. It means radius will be 3.5 by 2 meter. And the deep depth is given, so which is called the height. Depth is given 10 meter deep. So your question is given, find first CSA. You want to inner chord surface area, that is 2 pi r h. So 2 into pi 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 into h is 10. You will get the answer in meter square. Second part, rate is given. You want to find out the plastering, cost of plastering at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. So the cost is equal to CSA multiply by 40. Your answer is in the rupees. Question number 8. In a hot water heating system, do you know the hot water heating system? Like this, you are getting a pipe and immersion rod that have a plug and wire. So this is the CSA. This immersion rod is a hot heating coil. What is the given the heating? Their cylindrical pipe with the length 28 centimeter. Length is given means height is given 28 centimeter and the diameter is 5 centimeter. Diameter is given 5 centimeter. Length is given 28 meter, not centimeter. It is given in the meter. And your question is, find the total radiating system. Radiating means that is given the radiating. It is you want to radiating part. Radiating means the CSA. What you want to find out? 2 pi r h. This part will be not radiate. It is connected with the plug. Only this part is radiating. So 28 meter, it is given 5 by 2, that is 2.5 centimeter. Convert, that is 0.025 meter. You will put here values, you will get the radiating surface in the meter square. Because it is in the meter, it is in the meter, you can get it. Question number 9 is given. There is a petrol tank which is lateral surface area. You want to find out lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is called the CSA. So which is 2 pi r h. But what is given here? Cylindrical tank and storage is 4.2 in the diameter. What is the diameter given? 4.2 meter means radius will be 2.1 meter and the length means height. What is given? Length of the tank is given 4.5 meter. Height, length is not, direct height is given 4.5 meter. So by this you will get the answer. Second part. First part is over. Lateral means how much steel is actually used. Let actually used steel be x meter square. So waste 1 upon 12 of x. So PSA is x minus 1 upon 12x, that is 11 by 12x meter square is the steel used, which is called the TSA. So 11 upon 12x is equal to 2 pi r h plus r. Put the values here, 2 pi r h plus r. So that will be the answer. 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 multiply by 4.5 plus 2.1. You get 7 3 so 44 into 0.3 into 6.6. That you can get 44 into 11 upon 12. 44, what are you getting? 44 into 0.3 into 6.6. So you calculate the answer, you are getting 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, and 1 3 4 are 12, 12 13.2 into 6.2, 6 3 the 18, 792. What will you get? 792, 792. That you are getting the 87.12 meter square. It is the 11 by 12x. Therefore, what will you do? You find out x here. What you want to find out? X. So, x is equal to 87.12 into 12 upon 11. 11 7 ja, 11 9 ja, 9 11 2 ja. You multiply. So, you will get 11 2 ja. 0 95.04 meter square is the x, which is your actual calculation. Actual area 95.04. Next question number 10. Question number 10 is given here. What is the question number 10? In the question number 10 it is given there is a frame of a lamp shade. Lamp shade is here it is open and here it is also open. Both the direction it is open. Both the place. It is a lamp. It is open, but when you want to put the what is given, it is 20 centimeter in diameter. What is given? 20 centimeter is the diameter, and the frame is, and the height is 30 centimeter. Its height is 30 centimeter. It is decorated by a margin of 2.5 is in the given is folding on the tap. So you will get it will be raised by this 2.5 margin is there. It is a 2.5 and it is also 2.5 till here. Both the side, which you fold like this. A paper is here and you want to roll it, then like this. Paper is will be this and you will fold it like this. It will be folded like this. Okay. So here, suppose it is folding like this. It is a paper. Suppose it is a cylinder and you want to fold it. You can fold it inside like this. So here it is a decorative piece which is folding both the sides. Then find the how much cloth required to covering the landscape. What is the cloth? So what is the height? Now radius is equal to 20 by 2, that is 10 centimeters. Diameter is given 20 centimeter. Height is equal to 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, that is 35 centimeter. Total height of the cloth, because both the side it is going inside. It is folding this side, it is folding this side. It will be inside, and go. Only this part you will get. So, area of cloth is equal to CSA, 2 pi r h. What is the h? 35, not 30. You will calculate, you get the centimeter square cloth is needed. Very simple. Question number 11, which is given last question of this. How much cloth is required? Exercise. Question number 11 is given. The student of Vidyalaya is asked to participate in the competition and decorating the shape of a cylinder. Pen holders in the shape of cylinder with base using the cardboard. Pen holder means it is a closed, one side closed. Okay. Pen holder want to prepare. Students. Using the cardboard, each pen holder has to be radius 3 centimeter and the height is 10.5. Height is 10.5 centimeter. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with the cardboards, and if there were 35 competitors, number is given 35. How much cardboard was required to brought the competition? What will you find out here? It is a pen holder. So here pen holder, this will be a closed. So CSA plus area of cardboard for one pen holder is equal to CSA plus base 1. What is the CSA? 2 pi RH plus pi R square. So pi R common, 2H plus R. We will take 2 pi RH CSA plus 1 base, and now you put the value of R and H here, pi R and H. You will get the answer in centimeter square. For 1 area of cardboard, for 1, therefore total cardboard is equal to 35 into area of 1 pen holder. I hope it is equal. What answer you are getting here, that you write at this place, and you will get the total answer of the cardboard. Very simple questions. I hope it is clear, this exercise. So all of you will solve and complete. Very simply you are getting the answer of this question. How much cardboard is needed? How much centimeter? 35 multiplied by this. Thanks for today.